But if you didn't understand the company, if you're just buying on the fact the stock had gone from 26 to 16 and then it went to 10, what would you do when it went to 9? What would you do when it went to 8? What would you do when it went to 7? This is the problem that people have, is they sell stocks because they didn't know why they bought it, then it went down, and they don't know what to do now. Do you flip a coin? Do you walk around the block? You know, what do you do?
Between 1977 and 1990, Peter Lynch averaged a 29.2% annual return. Peter Lynch is an American investor, a mutual fund manager, and a philanthropist. And according to him, before you invest in any company, you have to know why you are investing in such a business. Why are you initiating a position in such company? Why are you buying a stock of the company? There are three things that you need to always ask yourself before you initiate a position in any company, in any stock. The first one is what? The second one is why. The third one is who. What is the product that this company is producing? I mean, what are they selling? What kind of services are they providing? And the next one is why. Why are you investing in this company? Do you believe in their product? Do you believe in their management? Do you believe the product is going to be revolutionary, or the services that they are providing is going to be revolutionary? And who? You have to know who are the management, who are the guys that are controlling, leading this company. Who is the CEO? Who is the chief financial officer? Who is the founder of the company or the co-founder of the company? Who is the chief technical officer? Who is the chief medical officer? And so on and so forth.
If you don't understand the company, you have this problem when they go down. Eventually, they always come back.
Whenever you buy a stock, you have to know exactly why you are buying that stock. Otherwise, your conviction in the stock is going to be shaken if the stock price goes down. Let's say there's some kind of economic collapse or whatever, like last year what happened, you will be the first person to close your position in loss. You're going to end up buying high and selling low. So that's why you need to know why you are investing in a company. You need to know the product, you have to know the management, and you have to know why, who are the leaders, and so on and so forth. So if your conviction in a company is not strong enough, you will end up closing at a loss. That's why it's always good to invest in a company that have enough cash, that is profitable, and that, you know, is without any debt. But of course, Bionano Genomics right now is not profitable, but Bionano Genomics have enough money to run their business for the next 4 or 5 years. They have about 350 something million US dollars in cash, and they need about 50 million US dollars per annum to run their business. Okay, so they owe nobody money. Bionano Genomics right now, they have about 0 debt right now, okay, which of course is another good thing. And we all know, like I have shared with you guys in my previous video, that Bionano Genomics, in my opinion, in the next 2-3 years is going to be a profitable business if they keep delivering like they have been delivering so far. In the case of Peter Lynch, he invested in a company known as Cramer Industries, and the stock went from 26 US dollars to 16 US dollars. So he bought in at 14 US dollars. So the stock dipped all the way to 3 US dollars. But what he did is he reiterated his thesis on the company, okay? And luckily, he got out of the stock at 50 US dollars. So right now, Bionano Genomics is trading around 5 point something US dollars. Let's say in the next in the next 2-3 years, we all managed to get out of Bngo at 50 US dollars. I mean, just like I have been predicting, in my opinion, this company stock is, you know, in my opinion, in the next 5 years, is supposed to be worth at least 100 US dollars, in my opinion. This of course is not financial advice. That's why I am crazy about Bionano Genomics. They have 0 debt, they have enough cash, and I believe in the next 2 to 3 years they will be a profitable business. That's why I am invested in Bionano Genomics. If you want to learn more about Bionano Genomics, there is a link below that you can easily follow about a due diligence that I made available online. It is free. It's about 78 pages. You can learn more about the company. It should serve as a, you know, starting base, as a foundation for you in your due diligence of Bionano Genomics. So now look at this. The market cap of Bionano Genomics right now is at 1.59 billion US dollars. Like I have been telling you guys, in my opinion, 2 billion US dollars is that mark that the short sellers set for Bionano Genomics. So in my opinion, anything below 2 billion US dollars is a huge buy the dip, in my opinion. Okay, of course the stock price has been going down heavily for weeks now, but it's also an opportunity for somebody like me that believe in the mission of this company to add to my position. So Right now, I just added some shares of Bionano Genomics while recording this video. I took a break because the stock price right now, you know, is at 5.71 US dollars. At one point, it went down to 5.50 something US dollars. Like I showed you guys yesterday, I'm going to show you guys. So yesterday, I showed you guys that just a second. Yesterday I showed you guys that there is a moving average, okay, that this moving average right here, 200 daily moving average, now it is at 5.46 US dollars. Yesterday it was at 5.44 US dollars. But I want to show you guys something that I am also watching. You know, there is something that is, I'm going to take this line, there is something like a double bottom, you know, like head and shoulder pattern forming right now. You guys can easily see it. This is the first time, you know, we came down some months ago. We came down to this level in March 7 or something, 5th of March. We came down to this level and we bounced, okay, and then we came down again, consolidated a little bit, went up, and now we are back at the same level. So that's why I added to my position. There is a support, there is a strong support right here, and anything below 5.5 US dollars is always a huge buying opportunity according to the historic data of Bionano Genomics, according to the price action. That's why I added to my position at this level. There is a good chance, like I told you guys yesterday, that I expect Bngo to go lower today, and we saw it. Right now it is lower than where it was yesterday, okay. It's lower than where it closed yesterday. It closed yesterday around 5.70, I think somewhere around this level. Let me see. So yesterday it closed at 5.72 US dollars. That's where it closed yesterday. So more or less Bionano Genomics has been doing nothing today. When the market opened today, Bionano Genomics went as high as 6.15 US dollars, you know, closing everything that we lost yesterday. But all of a sudden everything came back down again. Of course, Bionano Genomics is not the only stock that has been going down. You know, since the market opened, we saw other stocks as well going down heavily, including Tesla. So this is what I'm watching right now, guys. I mean, my first strong support has been broken, like I told you guys, and the second one is right now this moving average, 200 daily moving average, which is presently at around 5.45 US dollars or something like that. 5.45 US dollars. Okay, so I mean, this is what I'm watching, guys. So if there is anything, I will let you guys know. If you are a day trader, you already know that, you know, yesterday was a good time for you to get out of Bngo if you are day trading Bionano Genomics. But if you are a long-term investor, you have no business, you know, worrying about what is going on right now. If you believe in the mission of the company, what you should be doing right now, like I am doing, is looking for any opportunity to add to your position. So I think that's where I'm going to end this video today. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe and please drop a comment. I read all your comments. Thanks for your time. I appreciate you guys. Ciao ciao.